Hello everyone, myself Sonal Gawande, student of BSc second year. Today my seminar topic is electrochemistry. Electrochemistry is the study of chemical process that causes electron to move. This movement of electron is called as electrochemistry. Introduction. Electrochemistry is a branch of physical chemistry which deals with the interdependence of chemical charges and electric energies. Electrochemistry holds a central position in chemistry because it acts as a bridge between thermodynamics and the rest of chemistry, and it enables to study ionic reaction in details. A substance which decomposition on the passing current through it known as the electrolyte, and the phenomenon of decomposition is called as electrolysis. Spontaneous oxidation reduction. Redox reaction can be used to produce electric current under suitable conditions. The device used for this purpose is called as an electrochemical cell or galvanic cell. Chemical reaction can be forced to proceed by the passing electric current. A device used for this purpose is called as a electrolytic cell. Metallic or the electrolytic conductors. Conductors, substances which allow electric current to flow through them are called as conductors, while which do not permit the flow of electric current are called as insulators. There are two types of conductors, metallic conductors and the electrolytic conductors. First, metallic conductors are also known as electronic conductors conduct electric current due to the mobility of free electrons in particular direction. When a potential difference is applied across the end of conductor, the conductance of metallic conductor decrease with the rise temperature because the residual positively charged ions start vibrating at high temperature and collide with some of the free electrons, so there is increase the resistance. Second is the electrolytic conductors, is also known as the electrolytes, are the substances which give positively charged ions called cations and negatively charged is ions called as the anions in the molten state or the aqueous solution. They conduct the current due to movement of the ions and the undergo chemical decomposition of reduction cations, cathode and the oxidation of anions and anode. Conductors are of two types, metallic conductors and the electrolytic conductors. Again, electrolytic conductors of two types, strong electrolytic and the weak electrolytic. Strong electrolytic are the substance which the ionization completely and the conduct electricity to large extent. Such electrons are known as the strong electron. For example, strong lysis HCl NaO4. And the weak electrolytic are the substances which does not iodize completely, hence do not conduct electricity to a large extent. Such a electrolyte example are the weak acid like acetic acid and sodium acid. Thank you.